Ever pondered on the art of crafting your own homemade soap? It's a delightful fusion of science and creativity, producing a product that's not only useful, but also a testament to your skills. So sit back, get comfortable, and prepare to embark on a journey into the world of soap making. The journey begins with gathering the ingredients. For creating a basic bar soap, you would need distilled water, lye, and your choice of oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil are popular choices, each bringing its own unique qualities to your soap. Now onto the first phase of the soap making process, the lye solution. This is where safety becomes paramount. Always remember to wear gloves and eye protection when handling lye. Pour the lye into the water slowly, stirring gently until it's fully dissolved. It's crucial to remember never to add water to lye. The mixture will heat up quickly, so it's best to prepare it in a well-ventilated area. While the lye solution cools down, it's time to prepare the oils. Heat your chosen oils in a large pot until they reach around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The goal is to get the oils and the lye solution around the same temperature before they meet. Now comes the moment of truth, combining the lye solution with the oils. Pour the lye solution into the pot of oils, stirring constantly. This is the beginning of a process known as saponification. The mixture will gradually thicken, a stage soap makers refer to as trace. Once the soap has reached trace, now is the time to add any extras you'd like in your soap. Essential oils for fragrance, natural colorants, or exfoliants like oatmeal or coffee grounds can take your soap from basic to brilliant. The next stage is molding. Pour your soap mixture into a mold of your choice. It could be a simple square mold or something more intricate, depending on your personal taste. Once the soap is in the mold, it needs to rest. Cover the mold with a lid or some plastic wrap, and wrap it in a blanket to keep the heat in. This will help the saponification process continue. After 24 to 48 hours, your soap should be firm enough to remove from the mold. But it's not ready to use just yet. It needs to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. This lets the water evaporate, hardening the soap and making it milder on your skin. So to summarize, the steps to crafting your own soap are: preparing the lye solution, preparing and combining the oils, reaching trace, adding extras, molding and curing. Creating homemade soap allows you to control every ingredient that goes into your product, ensuring that it's gentle on your skin and free of any unwanted chemicals. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding hobby, with endless possibilities for customization. So why not give it a try? Unleash your creative side and see what amazing concoctions you can create in your very own soap lab.